Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Prashant Panwar and today we are back with another episode of the Young Indian series, and today again we have Mr. Rocky Saggoo. Say hi to the camera.
Namaste.
As usual. How are you, sir?
Great. Never felt so amazing.
Why?
Because I couldn't sleep last night.
What happened?
You messaged me, sir, we have a video shoot early morning. And I was so anxious. Oh my God, video shoot? I was feeling shy.
You were feeling shy?
Yeah, exactly.
Be honest.
You know, these days, the moment it is dark, I start feeling anxious.
Why it is so?
Then you added fuel to the fire. You told me we have a video shoot in the morning.
Yeah.
So I was anxious, I was shy, I was shivering, public speaking, facing camera.
Yeah.
These things are scary.
Do you think so? That he's feeling scary?
Of course, I'm human. What the hell are you talking about?
Yes, of course, he's human. So, guys, today we are going to talk about public speaking and transformation. I'm going to ask him several questions related to that. चलिए, सर, बात करते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन. अब मैंने सोच लिया कि मुझे ट्रांसफॉर्म होना है.
आपने सोच लिया फाइनली? Great.
Let's say कि अब सोच लिया कि मेरे को ट्रांसफॉर्म होना है, right?
Just a hypothetical situation.
Hypothetical situation, yeah.
वही मैं
But I really want to transform.
Okay.
Right? Let's say कि इनमें से हमारे व्यूअर्स में से किसी ने सोचा कि they want to transform themselves. अब पहली चीज उनको क्या करनी चाहिए before they get transformed?
I believe first of all we should ask ourselves these three questions. What am I? Where am I standing? And where am I heading? These three questions.
Okay.
What am I? Where am I standing? And where am I heading?
Right.
You cannot transform yourself if you do not know the answer of these three questions. It's very simple.
Yeah.
Right? And then second step, burn that comfortable bridge first
Okay.
so that you couldn't walk that bridge again.
Wow.
Burn that bridge, comfortable bridge.
Sir, any example? Any example?
Any example? Like he was asking me yesterday, okay, I'm going to transform myself, but I'm so stubborn. Whenever I decide, I just back away after a couple of days, right? That was a conversation. And this is quite natural. This happens.
It happens.
Right?
Yeah.
Like I have been thinking to build a body. I've repeated this so many times for 20 years.
Yeah.
So he asked me, and I gave him a solution. I said, okay, do one thing. Announce on Facebook, 90 days goal. Announce, guys, I've given myself this 90 days goal, then 89 days left.
Wow.
88 days left.
That's
87 days left. Post every day. 80 days left.
Uh-huh.
Then after 90 days, if you're not able to transform yourself, I believe you'll have to delete your Facebook account because people won't be respecting you.
So, ऐसा करने से I don't have any other option.
Exactly.
Right?
Kill the options.
और मैंने फिर भी नहीं करा तो
फिर भी नहीं करा तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता भाई. फिर तो यहाँ टैटू चाहिए हमारे बस की कुछ छोड़ा.
चलो ठीक है. Where am I? जैसे आपने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछा मेरे से, राइट? अब I know where am I right now, right? And somewhere somehow मुझे पता है कहीं ना कहीं कि ये रास्ता मेरे लिए सही है और जिस रास्ते में मैं अभी चल रहा हूँ, the process I'm following right now is wrong, is completely wrong. But I'm still following the same process again and again. मेरे को पता है उस रास्ते में मेरे साथ सही हो सकता है, बट मैं फिर भी नहीं जा रहा हूँ, इसी में अटका हुआ हूँ.
जब कोई पहली बार चोरी करता है लाइफ में, बिगिनिंग में अगर हम 5 रुपए भी उठा लेते हैं पेरेंट्स के, हमें बहुत बुरा लगता है, राइट? बट दूसरी बार थोड़ा कम बुरा लगता है, तीसरी बार और कम बुरा लगता है, चौथी, पांचवी, छठी बार, सातवीं बार इट बिकम्स आवर हैबिट. तो लूपिंग का पार्ट बन जाता है, राइट? तो गिल्ट हमें हो भी रहा होता है कि हम गलत स्टेप ले रहे हैं, बट फिर भी लेते रहते हैं. वी आर नॉट एबल टू स्टॉप आवरसेल्फ. You remember in one of the videos I talked about this force. Resistance is the deadliest force. Right. So resistance wakes up और ऊपर से हम लूपिंग में हैं. वो ब्रेन एक पैटर्न बनाया था कि ठीक है ये काम करना ही करना है. तो even if the work is not good, even if we are feeling that guilt, फिर भी वही करते रहते हैं. होता है इस वजह से है. अब उसको रोकना कैसे है? There is no fixed strategy. There are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of strategies. That's why I told you that we should be asking ourselves this question कि मैं हूं क्या? मेरी psychology किस तरह की है? मेरे thought pattern किस तरह का है? मेरा behavior किस तरह का है? पहला ये question. दूसरा, मैं खड़ा कहां हूं लाइफ के किस स्टेज पे? तीसरा, मैं जाना कहां चाहता हूं? ये तीनों क्वेश्चन के आंसर आएंगे तो बेटर हो जाएगा फॉलो करना. उसके बाद perhaps announce, perhaps chunk down your goals, छोटी achievement, 1% improvement every day, 1% every day, and there can be number of strategies.
Right, that is great. So guys, यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा important मेरे को ये लगता है कि अपने बारे में अवेयरनेस होना सबसे पहले बहुत जरूरी बिफोर यू स्टार्ट ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग योरसेल्फ, राइट? सो अवेयरनेस, राइट? सबसे बड़ी चीज वही है.
Awareness, then acceptance.
Acceptance
Accept that these are the challenges, these are the flaws.
Right.
You know, people, problem pata kya hai? We all run away from ourselves.
Right.
We run away from our greatest potentials even. Actually, all of us can do wonderful things. But hota kya hai? That path is unknown. And humans have always fear of unknown. Right? That's why we are afraid of even our greatest potentials. So then we create that loop, that zone, उस zone में रहते हैं. That's why I asked you to burn that bridge, the bridge, comfortable bridge first. Then ask yourself these 3 questions. Then accept. Then there can be number of strategies. So public speaking में,
Yeah.
what are your challenges, by the way? As I can see that you're training people these days.
Yeah.
You're talking to them. You're facing camera. You're going on the stage. Not these days. Earlier, what were your challenges? Perhaps if you can tell me your challenges, I'll be able to answer you. Acha, before you go ahead, let me tell you drawback मूछे रखने का. आप कॉफी पियो, लस्सी पियो, चाय पियो, सब कुछ पियो, यहाँ लगता रहता है, right?
Sir, it has nothing to do.
It has nothing to do. आपकी तो आती नहीं, आती नहीं.
मेरी आती नहीं.
करी है.
मेरी आती नहीं actually.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
चलो ये भी
So,
अच्छा है.
मैं आपको अपना एक इंसिडेंट शेयर करता हूँ कि let me tell you guys, I was a student in Pep Talk India in 2015, I believe, right?
15-16, yeah.
15-16, yeah. So my first day आया and he was sitting in front of me and the moment I entered in the classroom, beard, tall guy, he's sitting in front of me. What's your name? Sir Prashant. I was like that, Sir Prashant. What do you want to become in your life? Sir, motivational speaker.
Motivational speaker.
Okay, motivational speaker. Actually, this was me. I was like motivational speaker. Come start him. Okay, motivate us. What? Seriously? I was not prepared. Come, motivate us. ठीक है सर, करता हूँ. Sir, but करना क्या motivate? Come on, we are lazy bums. But sir, I'm not prepared. प्रशांत, हमेशा ये बात याद रखना कि पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में हमेशा तुम्हें तैयार रहना होता है. ये मुझे आज तक याद है. So, कभी कभी होता है ना कि
तैयार होना नहीं है,
हाँ,
तैयार रहना है.
right.
Do not get ready, stay ready.
Stay ready.
Let's say मैं एग्जांपल देता हूँ आपके बिहाफ पे. Let's say कि आपको स्विमिंग नहीं आती और आपने स्विमिंग सीखनी है.
Yeah.
अब उसके 2 रास्ते हैं. अगर आप बहुत ढीठ हो कि बात डिसाइड तो कर ले तो कुछ कर नहीं पाते, तो उसका सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट रास्ता पता है क्या? उठा के आपको स्विमिंग पूल में फेंक दिया जाए. राइट?
हाँ.
तो मरता क्या ना करता, भाई करना तो पड़ेगा. दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. यू आर अफ्रेड ऑफ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, जस्ट डाइव into the world of public speaking. Just take a leap. उसके बाद हो जाएगी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन धीरे धीरे. It's going to take time, right? But हो जाएगी. One sentence, then few sentences, then you'll be facing people confidently, facing camera confidently. धीरे धीरे धीरे, brick by brick, you'll be able to build yourself.
Right. Yeah.
Actually हमें हजारों सालों से ये सिखाया जाता है, do not go on the other side of a mountain.
Yeah.
क्यों? Because on the other side of a mountain, monster lives. So please don't go there.
Yeah.
And earlier, I can understand when we were in jungles, we had multiple challenges. But now, we are no more in jungles, right?
Right.
We can protect ourselves. We have many things, in fact, to protect ourselves. But we have inherited this from our ancestors, fear of unknown. So I believe fear of unknown ko tackle karne ke liye, you have to go on the other side of a mountain. There's no other strategy.
There is no other strategy. Yeah.
If you're afraid of dark, you need to go in the dark.
How one can gather that much of courage? That is the question. Because I want to go the other side of the hill, but dar hai sir, I don't have that much of courage.
Courage is one of the greatest skills, along with selling, right? And you build this skill brick by brick by constantly challenging yourself. That's what I do. I put myself under constant pressure.
Okay.
Give myself a weekly challenge, then a fortnight challenge, then a month challenge. In fact, all of you can observe me, my videos.
Yeah.
One year ago, I was a bit different. Perhaps 2 years ago, I was completely different. Maybe not 2 or maybe 3-4 years ago.
Yeah.
So I put myself under constant pressure, give myself challenges and dive. Take a leap.
Constant pressure, right? So that's the key word. That's great, sir. Let's move on to another question. Sir, habits of a greatest public speaker. Let's say yours.
Wow. Charan.
Thank you so much.
Greatest public speaker.
Yeah.
Actually, I've admired many people over the period of a very long time.
Yeah.
I have been reading, I still read, and I've read about many public speakers. Speakers like Lincoln, Swami Vivekanand, like Hari Singh Nalwa, if you have read Sikh history. They, even in ancient Greek and Rome history, Cicero, Demosthenes, Aristotle.
Yeah.
Right? So they have this precise transformation plan. Like Demosthenes ने what he did, उन्होंने distraction से दूर भागने के लिए, like he used to get distracted, right? He used to go out, यहाँ वहाँ देखा, youngsters को देखा, females देखी, अच्छा scenic beauty देखी, तो he used to get distracted. उन्होंने अपना आधा head ही shave कर दिया.
Wow.
कि आधा head shave कर दोगे तो भाई बाहर नहीं जाओगे, तो घर पे दिन रात practice करोगे.
Yeah.
And he became a wonderful orator, one of the greatest orators world has ever seen. Demosthenes.
एक बात याद आई, actually मैं भी ऐसे distract हो रहा हूँ. Should I shave my head?
Yeah. Of course, go ahead.
Yeah.
इनफैक्ट आप पूरा आधा हेड शेव ना करो, कुछ ऐसा करो या ऐसे ऐसा चांद,
No.
यहाँ बाल बीच में चांद. लोग इतनी गालियां देंगे. You won't come out, तो आप करो घर पे रह के कुछ कर ही लेता हूँ, या तो डिप्रेशन में जाओगे कुछ कर लोगे.
I believe डिप्रेशन में ही जाऊंगा. अपने आप को देख के ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फील नहीं.
देखिए दो चीजें होती हैं. We all are anxious, right? We all have got anxiety.
Yeah.
अब anxiety होते हुए भी if we keep moving,
Yeah.
so the greater the anxiety is, the bigger the person becomes.
Wow.
But if we have anxiety and we are doing nothing about it, this turns into depression. So अच्छे public speakers की सबसे पहली जो habit होती है, they are aware of themselves and they are aware of their challenges. अब उस challenges को one by one tackle कैसे करना है? They create a strategy and follow it religiously. Like Lincoln used to speak loudly in front of a tree to build his voice, that conviction in the voice.
Wow.
Demosthenes shaved half of his head. और अलग अलग public speakers, it is believed that, I'm not sure whether it's true or not, that somebody called Swami Vivekanand Zero in Chicago, right, when he was in US, and he gave a 1 hour long sermon on zero. Wow. Right, so you have to build these habits. Like you become the person you want to be from the same very moment. That's what I believe. You become the person you want to be from the same very moment. Then you improve every day. Build yourself brick by brick. Video record yourself. Talk to people. Get a mentor. Come to Pep Talk. Right? Mentorship really helps.
Yeah, it is.
You can understand this.
Yes.
So there are multiple strategies we'll be discussing. We'll keep discussing. Any last question? Because I have a session.
Okay, one last session.
One last session, one last question.
One last question, sorry. सर जब आप अपनी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की जर्नी बिगिन कर रहे थे, सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज आपका कौन सा था और आपने उसको कैसे टैकल किया?
सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज था, as I said in the beginning, we are afraid of our greatest potentials.
Yes.
Right? अब मुझे पता तो था कि मैं कर सकता हूँ. There was this belief. But क्या कर पाऊंगा? लोग कैसा रिएक्ट करेंगे? क्या मैं इंप्रूव हो पाऊंगा? क्या मैं 6 महीने में कुछ कर दिखाऊंगा, 1 साल में, 2 साल में? इन सब के आंसर कभी नहीं मिलेंगे.
Right.
जब तक आप कूदोगे नहीं दरिया में.
जब तक कूदोगे.
सब कूदना तो पड़ेगा.
राइट. सर आप फटाफट से इसको पूरे टॉपिक को सम अप कर दीजिए प्लीज.
मुझसे कराओ, यहाँ खुद मजे लो. ठीक है, फिरकियां लो मेरी चुपके से.
सर आपके फैंस ज्यादा है इधर. They want to listen you. Yeah.
देखिए, if you really want to transform yourself, you want to become a better public speaker, as I said, burn that bridge down. You gotta burn that bridge, that comfortable bridge down. What I mean to say, kill your options. That's the first strategy.
Yeah.
Second, always ask yourself these 3 questions. What am I? Where am I standing? And where do I want to go? Third, understand that we have different psychology. All of us are different.
Yeah.
So we cannot copy paste everything by studying somebody else's biography. We call it autobiography, right?
Yeah.
So just try understanding your own psychology. Self-awareness, self-acceptance. Burn that bridge down. Good luck.
Yeah, so guys, we will be coming back with another episode. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't. And अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक करें. Till then,